Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the burner drip bowl on your oven. The reason why you might have to do this is because the burner drip bowl is damaged or because it's rusted and it has holes that are no longer catching anything that is dripping from the top of the oven. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. For this repair, we'll be using a Whirlpool stove. Keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. So here's our stove. And underneath each of these burners, there's a metal drip pan. So in order to get to the drip pan, we're going to have to remove the burner first. And to do that, what I'm doing is simply just pulling up on it until it comes loose from that clip. And then we'll just pull it straight back from where it's plugged in and pull it out. So when you're removing the drip pan, you just want to be careful of this metal clip. Just lift the pan straight out so you don't damage the clip. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement drip pan. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So what we're going to do now is you're going to make sure that small hole on the side is lined up with the clip. And if you do it properly, that should also mean that this bigger hole is lined up with the plug right there. Grab your burner, slide that straight into the plug. And once you've got it in, push down on this piece right here so it snaps into place. And once you've got it pushed down, it's nice and tight, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.